If you want to make your PowerPoint presentation feel more professional, more engaging, and way less boring, adding music is a great place to start. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to PowerPoint step by step, even if you've never done it before. We'll go through inserting the audio, setting it to play automatically, and making sure it plays smoothly in the background during your presentation. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the music to start. Then, look at the top menu and click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding media, images, videos, and audio. Once you're in the Insert tab, find the audio option, click the drop-down and choose Audio on My PC. This lets you add a music file that's already saved on your computer. Now browse through your files and select the music track you want to use. It could be background music for a slideshow, a presentation intro, or even audio that matches the theme of your project. After you select the file, click Insert. PowerPoint will place a small audio icon on the slide. Don't worry, that icon is normal. It just means the audio has been added successfully. Now here's the important part. Click the audio icon so it's selected, and then go up to the Playback tab. This tab gives you control over how the audio behaves during your presentation. Under Playback options, find Start and change it to Automatically. That means the music will begin playing as soon as the slide appears, without you needing to click it during the presentation. If you want the music to keep playing smoothly in the background, click Play in Background. This is the easiest way to make sure your audio starts automatically, continues across slides if needed, and works like proper background music. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may also adjust a few settings for you so the audio feels more seamless during the slideshow. Once you've done that, it's a good idea to test it. Start your slideshow and make sure the music begins at the right time and plays the way you want. If it's too loud or too quiet, you can go back to the Playback tab and adjust the volume. If you want the audio to begin on a different slide, just insert it on that slide instead. That gives you more control over where the music starts in your presentation. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. You can use this for class projects, business presentations, photo slideshows, or any deck that needs a little extra energy and polish. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.